Imagine hitting the open road with the freedom to go anywhere, anytime, without sacrificing comfort or style. That's exactly what the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Campervan offers, blending the rugged capability of an SUV with the cozy convenience of a camper. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle a game changer for adventurers and weekend warriors alike. First up, the design. Toyota has taken the already sleek RAV4 and transformed it into a versatile campervan without losing its signature bold look. The aerodynamic lines, aggressive grille, and LED lighting give it a modern, road-ready presence. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The rear converts into a full-fledged living space with a fold-out bed, compact kitchenette, and clever storage solutions. The pop-up roof expands headroom, creating a surprisingly spacious interior perfect for stargazing or just stretching out after a long day of exploring. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 Campervan doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, delivering smooth, responsive performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-grid trails, the all-wheel drive system ensures confidence in any condition. And with an estimated 40 mpg combined, you'll spend less time at gas stations and more time on adventures. Now, let's talk about the tech. Toyota has packed this campervan with smart features to keep you connected and comfortable. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so navigation and entertainment are always at your fingertips. There's also a premium JBL sound system for those campfire jam sessions. And for peace of mind, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, making every journey safer. But what really sets this apart? The little details. Think USB ports in every corner, ambient lighting for a cozy vibe, and even a portable shower attachment for outdoor rinses. The modular interior means you can reconfigure the space to fit your needs, whether it's hauling gear or hosting friends. And with rugged, weather-resistant materials throughout, this campervan is built to handle whatever you throw at it. So, who is this for? If you love the idea of spontaneous road trips but don't want to deal with bulky RVs or expensive rentals, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Campervan is your answer. It's compact enough for city driving, yet fully equipped for off-grid living. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a small family, this vehicle adapts to your lifestyle. The bottom line? Toyota has created something special here, a vehicle that's as practical as it is adventurous. With its winning combination of efficiency, versatility, and innovation, the RAV4 Campervan is poised to redefine how we explore. So, are you ready to turn every destination into a home? Hit that subscribe button for more reviews and let us know in the comments where would your first trip be.